In this video, I reveal how I made over €100 a month from YouTube by walking. Let's dive into the details and see what made this possible. So let's start with the numbers. Over the past 28 days, my channel generated €107.99 from a total of 35. 8K views, which gives an RPM, revenue per meal, of €3.01. This means I earned €3.01 for every 1,000 views. My top performing video was Helsinki Summer 2024, a stunning 4K walking tour, which earned €17.53. This video alone contributed a significant portion to my overall revenue. Let's talk about what made this video stand out. One of the key changes I made was upgrading my camera from an iPhone 12 to a DJI Pocket 3. The difference in video quality is remarkable. The DJI Pocket 3 offers superior stabilization and 4K resolution, making the viewing experience much more enjoyable for my audience. My advice to walking channels is to upgrade your gear. Besides the top video, other videos like Steamy Summer Day in Helsinki and Helsinki Summer Walk 2024 also performed well, contributing €7.14 and €6.60 respectively. Consistency in uploading high-quality content really paid off. As you can see from the analytics, my revenue and views grew steadily throughout the month. This growth was driven by optimizing video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to make them more engaging and searchable. Thank you for supporting my channel and helping me achieve this milestone. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Helsinki Walks community. Your support keeps me going.